Hello, my name is John Kelly, teacher and learning coach for Delaware City Schools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Canvas. For the first step, go to www.dcs.k12.oh.us. This will bring you to the home page for Delaware City Schools. From the home screen of the Delaware City Schools webpage, click on Parent and Student Portals. This will bring you to a screen that has the Canvas icon located in the middle of the top row. Go ahead and click this icon. This takes you to the login screen for Canvas. Your username and password. Your username is your 6 and 2. What that stands for is it's the first 6 letters of your last name and the first 2 letters of your first name. So for example, my name is John Kelly. So my username is Kelly, 6 letters, K-E-L-L-E-Y, and then J-O, the first 2 letters of my first name of John, J-O. Your password is what was assigned to you by the district if you were a student, or as a parent, you could have set one up and have it saved in your records. Once you have that information, go ahead and click Log In. Once you log in, you are taken to the dashboard of Canvas. In the dashboard, this is where you will see all of the courses the students have signed up. For example, what you see here are just different courses that I am a part of. And I just want to point out a couple quick items here for you to become familiar with. So the first thing being, teachers will be utilizing the announcement feature, which is this symbol right here. The megaphone is the announcement. If there is a current announcement, this will have a little orange dot with a white letter inside, just like you see here. Now this symbol is for discussion posts, which some teachers may utilize as well. Other items to point out is the to-do list will have what is coming up, and so that's a good way to get a sense of what work teachers are assigning students. Another item here is the inbox. So if you click the inbox, you might see some messages or communication. And if you have any unread messages, again, you will have a orange circle with a white letter in there. Calendar is also a great thing to go to. I'm going to go ahead and click that. So the Canvas calendar works very similar to, if you're familiar with Google Calendar or anything like that, it will show all the different activities coming up into a course. And so if it becomes overwhelming at all, you can come over here to the right and you can specifically click on a calendar you want to see or unsee. So right now I only have this course, bro coding, highlighted. And you see that we had an activity on March 5th. If I wanted to get rid of that, I would go and uncheck this box and it disappears. If I want to see that again, I would click it. And I can click as many boxes as I want to be able to see. So again, if I want to go back to the dashboard, I just click Dashboard right here. Once in a course, and I'm just going to pick a random course here, just a couple things to point out to you. Announcements. Some teachers have it set up where it'll show up on the top of the home screen. Others may have it where you need to click on the announcement tab. You can see there, and if there is a current announcement, again, you'll have a notification. This concludes how to log into Canvas.